Today we're here to observe an aerial herbicide application for forestry practice. My name is Adam Johnson. I'm a forest ranger assigned here in Vance County, North Carolina with the North Carolina Forest Service.
What's your objective in doing this application today?
Well, our pines are 18 months old, and they're 18 to 24 inches tall, and they're in among various hardwoods and weeds that are 6 and 8 feet tall, so they have no sunshine and no chance of really doing what they're supposed to do.
We're actually going to see 3 different stands treated today. One will be a recently planted cutover. The trees are approximately 1.5 years old. The second area is going to be a stand that was pre-commercially thinned. It's a natural regeneration stand. It grew on its own. It was not planted. It's roughly 10 to 12 years old. And then we're going to have an application on 35-year-old trees that have actually been thinned twice.
We're applying selective herbicides to take out those unwanted species around the pines.
Obviously, we're doing a pine release from all competition, so these chemicals are widely researched and known not to harm young pine seedlings. There are 2 other commonly used applications. One is known as a ground application. That's usually done by a forestry skidder or a tractor. And then the third option would be with hands-on personnel using backpack sprayers.
We're going to spray 125 acres or so in total, and they'll do it in just a couple of hours. So it's very quick, very efficient, and really, because of that, it's more cost-effective.
Does the Forest Service offer cost share for this type of practice?
We absolutely do. We have several different programs. The most widely used for this application would be the Forest Development Program.
What are the mechanics of the application? How does the application actually take place?
We have a 10-wheeler truck with several thousand gallons of water in a tank, and the helicopter comes in and lands on the top of the tank. It's got a platform there, and they load the water and the chemicals into the tank of about 80, 90 gallons. And they fly out and use GPS and spray the selected areas very quickly, and then come back, land on the truck, and do it again.